friend, we will discuss here the next series that is also related to whom? That is related to William Shakespeare, and that will very helpful. Here we will strip with a critical remark on Shakespeare. So here we will see critical remark on Shakespeare. That is first, upstart को beautified with our Peter that with his tiger heart bred in a player's height. तो ये किसने कहा था? रॉबर्ट ग्रीन इन गॉड्सवर्थ इन विट ऑफ इन 1592. ही इज अ यूनिवर्सल पोएट. डब्ल्यू जे लॉन्ग ने लिखा था. तो ही इज अ यूनिवर्सल पोएट किसने लिखा था? डब्ल्यू जे लॉन्ग. Shoal of the age, the applause delight, the wonder of our stage. किसने कहा था? Shoal of the age, the applause delight, the wonder of our age. That is Ben Jonson. He was not of an age, but for all time. Ben Jonson. He was not of an age, but for all time. Now to the memory of the beloved William Shakespeare, Master William Shakespeare. किसमें लिखा था? टू द मेमोरी ऑफ माई बिलव मास्टर विलियम शेक्सपियर. ना आर स्वीटेस्ट शेक्सपियर फैंसी चाइल्ड रिटन बाय जॉन मिल्टन इन एलेग्रो. नाउ आई एडमायर हिम बेन जॉनसन बट आई लव शेक्सपियर. तो किसने कहा ये? दिस इज सेड बाय जॉन ड्राइडन. तो जॉन ड्राइडन क्या कहते हैं कि आई एडमायर बेन जॉनसन बट आई लव विलियम शेक्सपियर. वेयर इन हिज ड्रामेटिक पोएट्री. Now one day when there is no more Great Britain, and when there is no more United States, when there is no more the English language will exist, Shakespeare will speak Shakespeare. तो ये कितने का है? मकाडो डी एसिस. मकाडो डी एसिस ने कहा है. मकाडो डी एसिस ने कहा है. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. अदर अबाइड आर क्वेश्चन द आर फ्री वी आस्क एंड आस्क द स्माइल्स एंड आर स्टिल आर ट्रैपिंग टॉपिंग नॉलेज. तो ये क्या है? thou other abide our question thou art free. So this is said by Matthew Arnold. We ask and ask, thou smile and are still are topping knowledge. So this is said by Matthew Arnold in his sonnet Shakespeare. Next we will see here Shakespeare has no heroes but only heroines. So here we will see that it is said by whom? It is said by John Ruskin that Shakespeare has no hero but only heroines. Now other we will see that the greatest genius that perhaps human nature had yet produced are minded Shakespeare. So who said are minded Shakespeare? It is said by S.T. Coleridge. The greatest genius that perhaps human nature had yet produced are minded Shakespeare. It is said by S.T. Coleridge. Now next, I don't remember that any book or person or event in my life even made so great an impression upon me as the play of Shakespeare. So this is said by गधे. गधे नहीं, गूथे कह सकते हैं या गथे कह सकते हैं. Now next is Shakespeare is a drunken savage with some imagination whose play please only London and Canada. So it is said by Voltaire. तो उन्होंने क्या किया है? Shakespeare is a drunken savage person है, मतलब जंगली इंसान है. ही हैज सम इमेजिनेशन, उनके पास whose play please only